So how does H20Lock's moisture capacity compare to other desiccants?
So H20Lock has very similar moisture capacity to beaded molecular sieve on a per volume basis. It has a higher capacity. On a per mass basis, it's slightly lower. But in any case, most of AGM's customers are looking for very dry environments, and that's where molecular sieve and H20Lock really shine.
And what about the absorption rate of H20Lock? How does that compare?
So H20Lock, the absorption rate is slower than that of beaded molecular sieve, and that's because it's a solid, so moisture has to work its way from the outside all the way to the inside. But when you compare it to other solid desiccants, it's actually faster than most. We can adjust that rate a little bit based on how we press it. So if we press it lighter, you get a faster absorption rate, and if we press it heavier, you get a slower moisture absorption rate.
So is H20Lock non-dusting?
It is. So H20Lock has been tested and found to comply with the non-dusting criteria of the military specification MIL-D 3464. An AGM engineer would be happy to talk with anyone who needs more details about the testing.
And how strong is the material? Is it robust?
It is. So H20Lock has a compressive strength of 6,000 psi, and this is comparable to most plastics.
So can the H20Lock material be regenerated?
It can. So desiccant in general is regenerated using heat or vacuum or pressure or a dry gas purge. Molecular sieve in general usually requires a high regeneration temperature because it's so good at pulling in and holding on to moisture. So with that in mind, we designed H20Lock with a high temperature polymer binder so that it can be regenerated. And to do so, you bake it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and under vacuum.